Hey everyone, it's Dr. Daniel Bodkin from Proactive Athletic Performance. And in this video, I want to walk you through what a typical session looks like for return to sport testing after ACL reconstruction or other knee surgeries or injuries. First, we start off with the general warm-up. And if you have a specific warm-up that you like to use, I want you to do that. But if not, I like to start the athletes out on the treadmill, and then we move to a dynamic movement warm-up. And I like to hit the squat, the lunge, and a hip hinge pattern. Next, we move on to the shuttle MVP to prime the neuromuscular system with jump training. And I like to start with a lighter load and then heavy and back to light again. After that, we move on to the Vald force deck system for a double leg and single leg counter movement jump test. I like using this in place of traditional hop testing because it's going to give us a much better level of precision in the data. And testing vertically minimizes the body's ability to use the hip to compensate for the weakness of knee stabilizers. After that, we move on to the HUMAC Norm isokinetic system for two tests. The first is an isometric quadriceps rate of torque development and torque output test. This shows us how quickly the quadriceps is able to generate torque, which is crucial for being able to handle the higher speed demands of sports. And then we move on to the advanced isokinetic test. The advanced isokinetic differs from the older version of the test in that we analyze both the concentric and eccentric modes of contractions for both the quadriceps and the hamstrings. Traditional testing that you might find in other clinics only looks at the concentric mode of contraction, but it's the eccentric mode that's the most important to analyze before you go back to your sport unrestricted. Our system also allows us to analyze each rep during the test to ensure that you get the best and most reliable result. After testing is complete, we take the time to break down the test findings for you in person, but we also provide a full written report and a video breakdown of the results that we can send to you, your surgeon, and your rehab team so that they're able to make the best decision about your plan of care and your overall injury risk with returning to sports. A full testing session will last you about 60 to 75 minutes. But we make sure to take our time to ensure that you can achieve your best outcome. Give us a call today to schedule your testing session. And remember, if you're not testing, then you're just guessing.